What up, YouTube? Rob Black here, checking in with you guys. I want to put a quick one out. These are about the AirPods. Yes, the new fad that's or the new device that Apple put out that everybody seems that they want to, jump on. My little review about this is pretty much about if they're compatible with Samsung phones. Yes, they are. I tried to look up stuff before even getting them, but that's a lie. My job actually paid for them because we have Apple devices at work. So I figured I'd give it a shot because I was leery of buying them for my Samsung. I have an S7. Yeah, I'm old school. I have an S7, so I was kind of leery of taking a chance of buying them and just buying these expensive headphones without being able to use the features. Well, what I noticed so far is that feature-wise, you can still use if you remove one, it would actually pause your music. You can double tap to pause your music. Now, you can't do the setting for the double tap to switch to the next song. I noticed that because on my iPhone for work, I can do that. It gives you the option to set it, and also on my Mac. But on Samsung, it's pretty much like default, just with those things. As soon as you take them out the case itself, open the case up. As soon as you put it up to your ear, Bluetooth right to your phone, just like the iPhone does. So, and the quality's great, honestly. The quality is really good. I actually exercised with them yesterday in my ears. As a matter of fact, I'm at Best Buy now about to get the accessories so they don't slip out of my ears. It's the only thing about them. If you have jacked up ears like me or other Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu practitioners, they might not stay in your ear the right way. But I'm not going to drag this on. I just want to put a little quick review on the AirPods and what I think about them with Samsung. They're actually great. I have them on now. As you can see, I'm doing my video on my Samsung and talking through my AirPods. So let's see what happens. But other than that, this is Rob the Black signing out. Peace.